Remember when everyone was waffling everything? This will definitely waffle. We got a jalapeno popper waffle shortcut hack for you. Grab some waffle mix and you're going to substitute the egg with 1/3 cup of applesauce or some just egg. You're going to want to broil some jalapenos and add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast and a pinch of smoked paprika to your batter. To broil your jalapenos, straight up just put them in a pan in your oven, keep an eye on them until they get blistered. When your waffle maker is ready, add a layer of BE Hive bacon to one side. Scoop some waffle batter to cover, and then try your hardest to be patient as it cooks. Open her up and look at your beautiful creation. Repeat until you run out of waffle mix. You can even do this with our chipotle chorizo for a sweet and savory brunch treat. Who doesn't love a wacky waffle? Get crazy with it.